If you're subscribed to this channel, you're probably aware that I've embarked on a project to improve my YT Jeffsy AL comp. In the last two episodes, we upgraded the cranks and the rear suspension. This week, we upgrade the wheels and install the tires. The wheels I chose for this project were Hunt Trail-Wide wheels. Let's get started. First step is to remove the rear wheel from the bike. A lot of Jeffsys came equipped with the E13 9 to 46 tooth cassettes. To remove the cassette, you'll need a chain whip. Actually, two chain whips. This is a two-piece cassette, and removable is different compared to Shimano or SRAM. But the removal is simple. Hold the large gears in place with one chain whip and separate the other smaller gears with the other chain whip. Easy peasy.
There says such. We. Oh, aha, we did it.
First try.
Once you have it figured out, it's a lot simpler than it looks. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on removal and install, let me know in the comments. This is a good time to give the drivetrain a good clean. I'm intrigued by the Trail-Wides. For $460 shipped to the US, you get a lightweight aluminum wheel set with a pretty nice 3-degree engagement rear hub. I'll do a full review on these wheels in the near future, so hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay in the loop. The tires for this build were the E13 TRS. It's a mouthful. Setting the tire was surprisingly easy. It was so easy, in fact, that I was convinced that something was wrong. The tire took almost no effort to get on the rim. While airing it up, there was no distinct pop when the bead set. After deflating and reinflating and checking several times, I concluded that they had seated properly. So I would say this combo is really easy to set up. After filling them with sealant, I let them sit overnight to see if there were any leaks. No leaks, so it was time to get the cassette back on and install the brake rotors. All that was left was to install the wheels and pray for open trails. If you find this video entertaining, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. It costs nothing. Listen to that hub. Yeah? No. Hope you enjoyed this leg of my journey. Thanks for watching.